Stop it!
Can we get the show on the road?
Well, we need to figure out how to hook up this chain since it only has one hook. All right, we're attempting to move this frame from my Pap's truck with the quad. Go! Not really sure how this is gonna work out, but we'll get it done. Come on, Holmes! Nice hair. Here, you take over. A lock?
Yeah.
I thought you were getting me a clip.
You think the clip is going to hold 1,400 pounds?
I highly doubt it's 1,400 pounds. Can you not burn off my tires? There's nothing wrong with those tires. You're old.
Oh.
Why not?
I don't like cameras.
That's all you're gonna hook it on with?
Yep.
Double loop that. Yeah, and it doesn't help that it's on blocks either.
You get enough wrap, it's going to go right over there.
All right, who's driving?
You. And I ain't vlogging.
I'm driving.
I ain't.
We gotta pull it off the blocks first. Just
Nope.
come on.
Nope.
I need this.
Put it on there.
How am I gonna balance it up? He won't record for me. He won't record this for me because he's too lazy to help me hold the camera so I can drive this out. What are you getting?
He's your helper.
I don't need... Are you serious? He's missing an arm.
Ain't my problem.
I'm seriously gonna balance my phone on this guy. Look, look. Really? Or are you just gonna do it?
No.
Try it again.
It ain't good.
Try it again.
No.
So what's my truck?
That's a turd.
That is not a turd. What do you mean no?
I'm going to leave.
Here's my helper.
I should just grab it and slam it.
Nice to meet you, sir.
Oh, she's coming. Slam it up the hood and make them.
Don't. You'll break my helper. Next bet is to pull it out with my truck since the quad couldn't do it.
Oh, Johnny.
We don't need Johnny. Where'd Paulie go? You want some corn? Not really sure how this is gonna work out. Are you serious? You just went up there. So my expertise tells me to hook it there. And then we locked it to there. There you go.
Do it easy.
You gotta do it easy. How am I supposed to turn? I'm in the middle of the road. Do I back up?
I don't know. That's your problem.
Are you even on me?
Yeah.
Wow.
Wow. He's so gay.
How much chain I got?
You're good now. It's tight. You're powering it. Hey, when you stop down there, it ain't gonna stop. It'll go straight in the back of your truck.
That's the problem. I don't need that hitting my truck.
That's why you gotta get Paulie D up here. Get the ranch king.
You pulling it?
Yeah. Once you get up onto the road, that frame's gonna be flying behind you. Any day now.
You need to back up and move over this way further. Hey! Video me.
No.
Yeah, here. Here.
No.
Come on, I can't drive and do this. This is a lot more involved than I thought. I didn't even move. Am I going? Am I going?
No, Hayden, I gotta turn the steering wheel. Which we don't have. I'm gonna find a board, put in the nut.
You're a nub. Fucking bird shit.
You ain't even doing it, I'm pushing it.
Okay, muscles.
Hey, hold on. Thanks.
Alright, we got an audience.
Thanks.
Go park the truck.
How you feel about that, Paul? How you feel about that, Paul?
I don't care.
You don't care? That's gnarly.
Get the quad. Hook that chain to the quad. That hook there.
Yeah.
Don't make it flip back.
They did up there.
Made it flip back?
Go up in the air in the wheelie.
Try it.
What am I doing now?
Hey, pick up that rope back.
Do the brake. I'm gonna give it the onion? Yeah.
Sounds gnarly.
Am I stopping it or what am I doing?
No, you're letting
So
it
much
go.
for a brake, man.
You're letting it go in the creek.
Is it squirting on the ground?
Yeah.
You better go get a rag quickly.
Oh my god.
It's getting on the road.
Stay in the road.
I don't know where I'm getting a rag from.
It's gonna stay in the road.
Dump them in the trailer. Right there. Put that underneath of it to catch it all. It's gonna run out because I still gotta turn it again. Put it underneath of it where it's running out.
You can call me Garrett Riddle.
Okay.
Wait, there. So I put the rag down.
Yeah. So you don't step in it.
Looks gnarly, bro.
Fruit, you want some fruit punch?
Something shoot all your. Okay, push it backwards.
How am I gonna push and hold this?
Oh, you take it off of it now. It should start dripping.
It's still going, look. It's like a fountain.
It's not dripping. You're tripping.
I'm not that strong. Yo, watch the Plymouth.
Nope. Hit it.
What Plymouth? Stop. Hear that?
Okay, straight back. Are you moving against the top?
Oh. There goes a piece of the truck.
It was already off. It didn't break.
I bet.
Oh, come! You're gonna make me push right through the.
Yeah.
Getting needles in my eyes. Am I in the hole?
You ain't getting a 250 in there anymore, Paul.
Where you want to be?
Out of that hole. I want the back of my one.
You want it further this way?
We got her in position. We're gonna build ourselves a truck, boys. Let's go.